Financial freedom doesn't come from how much you make, it comes from how much you keep. And right now, most people are losing money every day on things they think are smart choices. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kaylee. I'm a dentist and business owner. On this channel, I help people master their mindset, money, and habits so they can live a life they don't need a vacation from. In this video, I am going to break down 12 things you should never do with your money. Not because you haven't heard them before, but because these traps are sneaky, common, and most importantly, highly destructive to your financial health. Some of these will probably feel very familiar, but I promise you'll see them in a new light by the end. Let's get right into it. Number 1, never spend more than you earn. Sound obvious, right? But here's the kicker. The average American household carries over $15,000 in credit card debt. Why? Because they spend beyond their means. Money psychologist Brad Klontz explained in his book, Mind Over Money, that people often confuse lifestyle with success. We see Instagram influencers flaunting luxury and suddenly overspending feels justified. If your expenses consistently exceed your income, you are not building wealth, you are digging a financial hole. The solution? Budgeting. Track your income and expenses religiously. Make sure every dollar has a job, whether it's saving, investing, or necessary spending. Number 2, never let emotion drive financial decisions. Emotional spending is a silent killer. Stress, boredom, or even celebration can trigger unnecessary purchases. A Harvard Business Review study found that impulsive buyers often experience buyer's remorse, which affects their overall well-being. So emotional spending not only drains your wallet, but your mental health too. Instead, build awareness. Ask yourself, am I buying this because I need it or because I want to feel something? If it's the latter, pause, take a walk, breathe, and decide later. Number 3, never buy now, pay later on everyday purchases. These services, Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, sound like magic, but research from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau found that nearly 1 in 4 users of buy now, pay later plans missed at least one payment. That's a big red flag because missing payments leads to fees and a hit to your credit score. If you use this, limit it to a planned budgeted purchases. Don't let it become a gateway to impulse buying. Number 4, never buy something just because it's on sale. Ever bought a gadget, a pair of shoes, or that fancy blender just because it was 50% off, but then never used it? That's a sales trap. The principle here is simple. A discount only saves you money if you are going to buy an item anyway. Consumer Reports notes that Americans spend billions annually on sales items they don't need, turning savings into waste. Make a rule. If it's not on your shopping list, do not buy it. And even if the price seems irresistible. Number 5, never fall for a store credit card discount at checkout. It feels like a steal. Get 10% off today when you sign up. But the store credit cards often have APRs north of 25%. A 2023 study by Wallet Hub showed that these cards leads to higher revolving debt balances because shoppers are tempted to spend more. If you do get one, use it only for planned purchases you can pay off immediately. Otherwise, it's a debt trap. Number 6, never let subscription multipliers unchecked. Subscription services are the silent subscription to financial leaks. The average American pays for 5+ streaming or app services, but 60% admitted using them all the time. I see these happen with my patients and friends paying for gym apps, meal plan, magazine, or software they forget to cancel. Quarterly audit your subscription. Cancel what you don't use and save hundreds yearly. Number 7, never finance furniture at 0% interest just to upgrade your home. 0% interest sounds great, right? But here's what often happens. Miss one payment and the interest from day one is backdated. Plus, financing furniture for a luxury upgrade instead of saving it is a recipe for debt. Think about it. You're paying for something that depreciates, not appreciates. Real estate or investments are different. Furniture is a liability. Number 8, never buy fast food or daily coffee. This one hits close to home for many of us. A $5 coffee every day equals to about $1,825 a year. Add fast food meals and you're hemorrhaging thousands. Cooking at home and brewing coffee saves you money, but it also supports your health and energy levels. Harvard researchers found that poor diet habit can cost you not just money, but productivity and healthcare expenses down the road. Number 9, never sign up for a gym membership in January without a real commitment. Gyms love January because they know how many memberships will go unused by March. Only sign up when you have a plan and genuine motivation. Otherwise, you are paying for a service you don't use. A simple home workout or outdoor exercise can be just as effective and cost nothing. Number 10, never buy the latest iPhone on installment plan without checking the math. The hype to upgrade every year is real, but phone installment plan can bury you in monthly payments. Calculate the true cost. Are the new features worth the price? And if you are like me, I use my phone daily, but I have learned to wait and save, upgrading every 3 to 4 years. Number 11, never take out a loan to pay for your wedding. Weddings are beautiful, but starting your marriage in debt is a heavy burden. Financial therapist Brad Klon says debt stress can harm relationships. Instead, plan a meaningful wedding within your means. This also sets a precedent for responsible money management as a couple. Number 12, never upgrade your car because your friend or neighbor did. Keeping up with others financially is a losing game. Upgrading your car because of social pressure leads to depreciation and extra costs like insurance, maintenance, and taxes. Focus on your financial goals, not other people's lifestyles. Remember, wealth is built on discipline, not comparison. There you have it, 12 things you should never spend your money on. If you find this video helpful and valuable, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel for contents like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.